In this video, I'll show you how to create a bar graph where you have the bars for each. It's a chart, basically, a bar chart, where you visualize data. You can visualize with pie charts, line charts, dotted charts, but the bar graph or bar chart is very easy to compare data or to see a time series and see how it progresses. Let's check it. Let's open up the Excel and have a look at the file and see how you create the bar chart. Okay, so let's create the bar chart. We have this sample data here, and what we could use for a bar chart are these columns, the task name, and then the progress, percentage, and amount. Also, this is just the sample data, and there was a missing one extra row there, so I cleaned up a little bit the table. You might have to do this. You might have to arrange the table a little bit. You don't have to sort it. The order doesn't matter here, but if there are empty rows, maybe it's nicer to clean it up also a little bit before. That also doesn't matter because it will not show in the final bar chart, but it's nice to have the table cleaned up. It was like this from the previous videos I made. So I will select the task, progress, and amount. Actually, they work well together when the amounts, the values are closer together, but we will try anyway. Let's see how it looks like. I will try with only task and progress actually to make it more simple. So I go to the tab for insert in the ribbon here on top, and all these options you can click on the recommended charts to get a recommendation on which chart to use, and it will actually give you a preview of the actual data that you could see. So that's pretty nice actually to have different types of chart previews. But what we want in this video is to create a bar chart, and you go on this point here where it says insert column or bar chart, and then we have 2D column, 3D column, which looks nicer, but I think 2D is more clear or what it's about. And then 2D bar is horizontal, and 3D bar. So you can actually create a column or a bar chart like this. So I clicked on it and the chart is created. As you see, I can resize the chart. I can really make it taller or smaller, like less wide, or really you can play around with the chart and even the shapes inside to arrange them compared to the title. It's very convenient, and you can also select the data. For example, here if I had task and progress, and I will show you now, I'll actually undo everything here. I will show you. So if I select task progress, amount, and share, and I go to insert, and then I create a 2D bar chart, it will automatically add the extra values here for me. So I have the table is actually from here, data is from here, and the chart is taking, as you see, this highlighted, the blue one is the data. But if I wanted to only show one of the fields, I could only show the amount, for example. And now the bar chart is only for the amount. And the same way I can right click on the bar chart and choose share. For example, the share of each task has a share. You can have anything here, but here the progress would be really the best indicator, and maybe amount also. But because the amount is a smaller number compared to progress, it will not show very obvious. But you can do Ctrl+Shift+F on the progress column, and instead of showing it as a percentage, you can show it as a number like this. and now it's the other way around. So it's very difficult to get it right like this. So now we have the amount. I can just change the type, but I will leave it with progress here and only show progress, so I can see that this task here and this one, they are very close to getting finished, and these three are a bit not progressing much. So you would want to look at this and maybe this one to see what's happening, why they're not going forward. And you can also change the chart template. You can change it to if you want to change the chart template to a column, you can change it like this. So now they are a column. So basically this is how to create a bar chart and a column chart, or actually also both they are the same thing. They are really the same thing, just the bar chart is horizontal, the column chart is vertical. I hope this helps you. That's it. It's easy. And that's it. This is how easy it is to create a bar chart or a bar graph in Microsoft Excel. And I hope this video helped you. And if it did, write in the comment section below if it helped you and what videos you would like to watch in the future. And don't forget to give it a like, give the video a like if it helped you. Subscribe also to the channel to watch more and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.